Let's assemble the dump truck. We did it! Let's load materials to the dump truck. Let's load the transport with the necessary items. You're doing really great. Let's prepare an embankment for laying the rails. We need to fix a crack on the dump truck. Keep it up. Let's grind the welding seam. Ready. To paint the stain, look at the cloud and install the spray gun cup of the same color. That's all. We need to assemble the track laying machine. Keep it up. And now we need to fuel the track laying machine. Press the pump. We did it! Let's lay rails and sleepers. Let's wash the track laying machine. Ready. Let's assemble the dracene. Keep up the good work. Let's load road signs onto the dracene. We did it! Let's install traffic lights and a railway sign. We need to wash the dracene. Keep up the good work.